i35equipment.com. Today we're inside the Kubota SVL 75-3 tracked compact loader skid steer. We're going to be showing you how to operate your hydraulic quick attach system if your machine was equipped with it from the factory. This one's pretty easy and simple. We already have the machine operating. We have our hydraulic lock off, so we're ready to operate and move. No one's around us, so we're ready to go. You're going to navigate over here to the port side, the left side of the machine. You're going to find this rocker switch. This rocker switch will allow you to lock it at any time by pushing down this, but to unlock it, you have to push back on the yellow safety, then push it forward. When you're doing that, you see down here, these two little red indicator arms come up. That means you're unlocked. So we're gonna go ahead and lock it back down by pushing the rocker switch the opposite direction. You see it locks back down. The red is up, you are unlocked. Unlocking. After that, you're simply just going to back out of the bucket while uncurling the bucket to get out of it. Go on to your next attachment or bucket. Again, we'll show you the rocker switch is right here. This locks it. Press and hold. And then to unlock, you're not going to be able to do it just by pushing. You have to push the yellow switch back and then forward on the rocker switch. Super easy, super convenient. Do hope that video is beneficial to you. If you have any questions, consult your operator's manual. And if you're in the market for used heavy equipment, check out our website at i35equipment.com. We have a wide variety of consignment machinery. We get new equipment all the time. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope you have a wonderful day.